The trial of Dr. Kizza Besigye, Obeid Lutale and their co-accused Captain Dennis Ola failed to take off today as the accused Besigye and Lutale made no show in court. Family, friends and colleagues of the accused who made their way to the courtroom by 10 a.m. were left unattended too until the presiding judge, Emmanuel Baguma, walked in about midday. Before this, the friends and colleagues occasionally expressed their displeasure to the delay by singing in the courtroom. The pair were expected to appear alongside their co-accused, Captain Dennis Ola, but only Ola was produced before Justice Emmanuel Baguma. Through Assistant Superintendent of Police Emmanuel Hire, prison authorities informed court that Besigye and Lutale had refused to attend proceedings.
The accused persons are not present in court, citing pending issues between the lawyers and the court.
However, Besigye's lead counsel, Martha Karua, argued that the trial could not lawfully proceed in the absence of the two accused persons.
Unless that person so conducts himself or herself as to render the continuance of the proceedings in the absence of that person impracticable, and the court makes an order for the person to be removed.
The defense team further complained that prison authorities had failed to comply with earlier court orders granting lawyers confidential access to their clients.
With all due respect, he appears to be mean with the facts.
I would request this honorable court to write to the Commissioner General of Prisons and this will guide according.
The thing they ignore those orders. This court encourages them to ignore them by not bringing anything about.
The prosecution claimed to have arrived with two witnesses ready to begin presenting evidence against Besigye and his co-accused.
Since I entered upper prison today, the prison had always made it very hard for me to interact with my co-accused, yet we are in the same fire.
Justice Baguma agreed that the trial could not proceed without Besigye and Lutale, and subsequently issued a production warrant directing prison authorities to present the two accused before court on June 30th. On the same date, the court will also hear a human rights enforcement application filed by Besigye and Lutale against the Chief of Defense Forces, General Muhoozi Kainerugaba, and other senior UPDF officers. In the application, the two accused the military officials of violating their constitutional rights through alleged abduction from Kenya, unlawful detention, incommunicado confinement, and public threats made on social media. Dr. Besigye, Hajj Lutale, and Captain Dennis Ola are jointly charged with treason and misprision of treason.
The court has been avoiding the application in the Human Rights Division, which touches, among others, on the Chief of Defense Forces of Uganda, has been fixed, yet the bail application, which was filed 2 months ago, has not been fixed. The court has just said vaguely that it will fix it, without telling us when.
Prosecutors allege that the trio participated in meetings held in Kampala, Nairobi, Geneva, and Athens as part of an alleged plot to overthrow the government of Uganda. All three accused have denied the charges. Walter Mwesigye, NTV.